Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I'm here with something exciting. This is my design team box for ScraPerfect, and I'm really excited. I was on the ScraPerfect team last year, I believe. Last year, yes. It was I was on it for almost a year, and then I stopped for a while, and now I am back on the team again because I missed the products. To be perfectly honest with you, that's why. I'm thrilled to be back on the team. I love the glue, and I'm going to show you everything that was sent to me. So you're going to be seeing 2 projects a month from me for ScraPerfect. And of course, I'm going to have the links to the website in the description box for you guys. You can go over and get some of these goodies yourself. So let me open it up. It came in this box. I'm so excited, you guys. So this is a card that's on top, and the website is www.scrapperfect.com, which you can see right there. And this is a quick pickup tool, the Embelly Jelly, which I didn't get in this one. So I'll probably get that in my next DT kit, the Embelly Jelly. But this is actually a very cool product. You use this instead of, it says mold jelly into the wand for easy placement of gems, charms, beads, buttons, sequins, die cuts, and more. Go online for instructions and tips. If the embellishment clings to the jelly, instead of transferring to the adhesive, roll the wand instead of lifting up. So they give you a free sample of the Embelly Jelly and the wand on the card, which is very cool. So you get to try the product before you buy, which I love that idea. So let's remove the popcorn. And they also, let me show you this first. There's their company logo. And you get this flyer inside. ScraPerfect features magical solutions to many crafting challenges. Now, ScraPerfect is an environmentally friendly company, which I love that idea. That is important to me, and I'm sure it is to most crafters. So all of their products do not have any chemicals. They're environmentally friendly, washable fiber. That's for the perfect cleaning cloth. So everything is environmentally friendly. The best glue ever, which I did get, and there's the Embelly Jelly. These are all the products you get, and I'll be showing you these products as I go along and do my videos. So you get a full flyer with all the products inside, which is cool. The website, again, is right there, and the toll-free phone number. And the owner's name is Amy Rozak. So thank you, Amy, for sending me this. So this is one of the items they sell, which is the no clog cap, and this will be going on my glue because for the best glue ever, which great name for it because it really is the best glue ever, you use very little of the glue. It's not like normal white glue like the Aleene's where you just kind of throw it on there. The less you use, the better it sticks. It's an amazing glue. And the ScraPerfect YouTube channel has tons of tutorials as well for you guys to check out. But this is going to be for my glue. I was also sent the little flower embellishment wheel, which they carry these now. Look at the little flowers. Super cute, right? Look at all the different colors. I love this. They're so tiny. I cannot wait to use these. These are going to be just adorable on projects. So I got sent one of those. And this is the perfect crafting pouch. So let me read in here about that. So if you are going to emboss, you would want to use this first. So what you do is you would put this down on your paper and then you would stamp. And what that would do is it would stop your ink, your wet inks from smearing before you sprinkle on your embossing powder. It'll just keep, you know, with the lines of the stamp. You can put it on top of paper before you run it through your inkjet. Let's see here. For both slick and absorbent media such as vellum. So if you were printing on vellum, you could rub this cloth over it. It's got a powder inside it, and then run it through your printer and it wouldn't smear. It dries ink very fast. Provides static protection with glitter. Now that's important because you all know glitter gets everywhere. So if you put this down first and then sprinkle the glitter, it won't go where you don't want it to. So that's cool. And embossing powder, same thing. Acts as a releasing agent for modeling compounds with stamps and molds. Now that I didn't know. So if you were using air dry clay and you sprinkled this on the inside of your mold before you use the air dry clay, your stuff would come out beautifully. You wouldn't have to struggle to get it out. So that is cool. I didn't know that because I do want to do some air dry clay soon. It deactivates stickers, sticky tapes, and adhesive residues, adds traction for stamping on acrylic, acetate, and slick media. So lots of uses for the crafting pouch. So I'm excited to have one of those. That's cool. And then this is the best cleaner ever, and I love this stuff. I actually use this to clean my paintbrushes. I find it works really, really well, even on brushes that have been sitting around for a while that I was negligent in cleaning properly. I soak it in this, and I actually leave it overnight. Like, I don't soak a lot of it. I just spray it on and then leave a tiny, tiny bit in the base of the glass, and then I leave it overnight, and then the next day I wash it out with like soap and water, or just water, and then soap, and then water. And it makes my paintbrushes, whoops, super soft. Like, you cannot even tell that I've used this. Like, it makes them really soft the next day. And again, it's all environmentally friendly, non-toxic, non-hazardous, biodegradable, no harmful fumes. Nothing bad in this at all. It's all natural ingredients. No water, alcohol, or abrasives, 99.9% active ingredients. This is a really cool thing, and I've used this for getting stains out, like on my countertop that have been there for a long time that I've never been able to, and I sprayed this and left it sit for an hour and then gone back and the stain has come up. It's really an amazing product. I love it. And I love that there's no chemicals in it, so very cool product. And then, of course, the best glue ever! 2 bottles. This will last me for quite a while because, like I said, you don't use a lot of it. Everybody looks at that and goes, well, the bottles are so small, but because it takes you forever to go through a bottle, these will last me quite a while. You'll see how long I have these 2 bottles for. Like, this will last me way into next year, these 2 bottles. So I'm happy about that. And they also sell another one of my favorite products, which is foils. I love doing foiling, and you're going to see some more foiling projects coming from me very soon. The glue works really well with the foils. With the no clog writing cap, you can actually write with this bottle, put the foil over top of it, rub it, and then you have like script foiling or whatever. So you will see me using these 2 products together for sure. So I'm really excited about being back on the ScraPerfect team. I hope that you guys will tune in for my ScraPerfect projects. I will definitely be doing them soon. I'm going to get one up for the 14th of this month, I believe is my first day to have a project up. So I hope you guys will come along and check out my first project for being back on the ScraPerfect team. I'm very excited. Thank you, Amy and Penny, and Kimmy, who's also on the team, and all the other lovely ladies. Check out the ScraPerfect website. You'll find the link below. Thanks, guys. Bye for now.